Setting up your Celtech lock is simple. First, we will begin by showing you how to add an admin and users. Start by touching the panel. Press the left button and right button to enter setup mode. Key in the default passcode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then press enter. Press 1. Press 1 again. Enter your 6-digit admin password. Then press enter. Enter your 6-digit password again. Then press enter. Now return to the main menu. To set a user, touch the panel. Then enter setup mode. Enter your new admin passcode. Then press enter. Press 2. Then press 1. To set fingerprint, scan 4 times. To add user passcode, enter 6-digit passcode. Then press enter. Enter the passcode again. Then press enter. To add a card, scan the card on the panel. Now return to the main menu. You've now successfully set up your admin and users. Now, let's connect to the Smart app. Download our app, called Smart Life. Register your account before continuing to the next step. First, we need to turn off your 4G network. Then connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The connection will only work in 2.4 GHz network. Follow the arrow to add your device. Select Security and Video Surveillance. Block Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Now touch your lock panel. Then enter setup mode. Enter your admin passcode. Then press enter. Press 1. Press 3. Then press 2. Your lock panel will start flashing. Click to confirm that the lock is blinking, and click Next. The connection should take around 30 seconds. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Celtech Smart Door Lock.